order, guys. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I can thank you enough. And yeah, this is my beautiful daughter and her girlfriend. And Sunshine is here right with you. And I got a early Christmas present, guys. You guys wouldn't believe this. This is ta-da! Yeah, it's a Mac Pro, Apple Mac Pro, MacBook Pro. Yeah, yeah. And should I do unboxing? Should I do unboxing? Yeah. Unboxing tayo. What it look like? It's so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Thank you, darling. Thank you to the sponsor, Mr. Frost Stoudinger. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What is this? What's this? Boy, what's this? Thank you. Alright. Yeah. Okay. It's a MacBook Pro, guys. 14-inch. Oh. Whoa. Aloha. Thanks to my sponsor. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. I don't feel like taking it out. Where's yours like this when you open?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh my god, I don't. Oh, this.
Heavy duty.
Huh? It's a bit heavy. And I'm scared to open it just in case I spark because you know me, I don't like this other. Wow. Wow, Ate! Whoa! Aloha! Where's the open? Where's the open? Open mo, Ate. And we got the MacBook Pro. Wow. Thank you. And I got the charger here. Yeah. Oh. There's a light already. What is a light, Ate? Can you help me, Ate? What's that? Oh. Oh my goodness! Wow! Oh, hello! It opens like that, really? Wow! And the color is like gray, space gray, and space gray. Wow! Oh, wow! Thank you so much for the support. Thank you to my family. Thank you to my friends back home in the Philippines. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, darling. Thank you, Sunshine. Thank you so much for believing in me. And yeah, it's just the beginning, guys. Follow me and can you please cover? I got another pressy from my daughter and my other daughter here. This one. Can you guess what this is? Let's open this one. Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so excited. And I find something that I really like to do. I do love my crafting and vlogging and oh my god. This is ayan. This is from Ate and Ate M. This is for my crafting. Sorry, baby. These are for my crafting. Ta-da! Look, guys! Pink! Hello, pink! Hello, mga kakampings! Mga katropang mga kapbahay! Ayan, meron po tayo panghata, pambugbog sa akin, darling. When it's naughty. And then, I got a screwdriver here. And a glue gun. We have glue gun here. All in all, it's all in here. Yeah, that is what it looks like. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so happy. Ayan. Thank you, guys. So, see you until my next vlog. And keep smiling. And be nice. You know, it's free to be kind. And God bless and stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe Super MomZhe Mixed Videos and hit subscribe and press the notification button and like and comment, and thank you guys, you are awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Thank you. Ayan, yung nakikita nyo po na naka-stripe, yan po ang aking anak na si Ann, at yun po ang kanyang girlfriend na si Emily. Guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. Salamat sa aking mga katropa, mga kapamilya, mga kabarangay, mga kapitbahay, at aking mga kasamahan dito sa Australia, no? Ang Pinks in Australia. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong suporta. No, maraming salamat sa aking pamilya sa Pilipinas, sa aking mga kaibigan, at sa aking mga bagong kaibigan na nakilala dito sa YouTube. Ayan, lalong-lalo na kay best friend, kay Joe Chalan, kay Giz, kay Jaime Damsel, at kay Monatology 101, The Action Man, Divina Apostol, Mami L, God, ang dami nila. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa akin, ano. At,